Hi there, I'm Callie and this is Cash with Callie, where we make finance simple and fun one video at a time. In this video, we are going to look at 7 steps to building a successful blog and monetizing it. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your blogging platform. There are several platforms you can use to start your blog. WordPress is one of the most popular ones due to its flexibility and user-friendly interface. Other options include Wix, Squarespace, and Blogger. Each platform has its own unique features, so take the time to research and choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 2. Find your niche. Your blog should focus on a specific topic that you're passionate about. This could be anything from cooking to travel to personal finance. Finding a niche will help you attract a dedicated audience and stand out from the crowd. Remember, it's better to be a master of one topic than a jack of all trades. Step 3. Create valuable content. The key to a successful blog is providing content that offers value to your readers. This could be in the form of how-to guides, tips and tricks, personal stories, or expert insights. Consistently delivering high-quality content will keep your readers coming back for more. Step 4. Promote your blog. Once you've started creating content, it's time to get the word out. Share your posts on social media, collaborate with other bloggers, and consider using SEO strategies to increase your visibility on search engines. Remember, building an audience takes time, so be patient and persistent. Step 5. Engage with your readers. Encourage your readers to leave comments and make sure to respond to them. This will help you build a community around your blog. It's also a great way to get feedback and ideas for future posts. Step 6. Monetize your blog. There are several ways to make money from your blog. You could use advertising programs like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing programs like Amazon Associates, or sell your own products or services. Each method has its pros and cons, so consider your audience and content when deciding how to monetize your blog. And finally, Step 7. Keep improving. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics to understand what's working and what's not. These tools can provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior, such as which posts are most popular, where your traffic is coming from, and how long people stay on your site. This information can help you make informed decisions about what content to create and how to promote your blog. And there you go, that's it. 7 steps to building a successful blog and monetizing it. Remember, blogging is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, but with passion and dedication, you can turn your blog into a profitable online business. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Cash with Callie for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, happy blogging!